fruit, also known as Luo Han Guo, is incredibly cheap. One fruit costs just a few cents, and a cup of tea is less than $1. In traditional Chinese medicine, it has a cooling nature and enters the lung meridian, helping to clear lung heat, moisten the lungs, and stop coughs. It's especially good for dry cough, sore throat, and hoarse voice. Modern research also shows it has anti-inflammatory and cough-relieving effects. Best of all, its main sweet compound, Mogroside, is 200 to 300 times sweeter than sugar, but with almost 0 calories and a very low glycemic index. It won't raise your blood sugar, making it perfect for diabetics and weight loss. That's why this sweet tea won't make you gain weight.